Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOok 846, and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. First of all, you have to right click the battery icon on the status bar and go to power and sleep settings. After that, expand the energy saver menu right here, and then to enable it manually, just switch this toggle to the right and it will start the power saving mode right away. But if you want to set auto enable, expand this list and select the value from it. The value from values on this list indicate the level of your battery at which you want the power saving mode to start automatically. If you select always, the energy saver will start working once your device is unplugged from the power source. But you can change it to any value right here. And you can also toggle lowering screen brightness when using energy saver by switching this toggle. So that's how you enable energy saver. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.